Hello guys, good day everyone. This is a pork liver, patay ng baboy. Yan o. This is the cooking that it has a simple kitchen utensils. Simple lang ang mga gamit sa kusina para maihanda ang iyong merienda sa lahat ng oras, to serve your snacks at all time. Okay, let's dive in. So, ayan o, coated, looks like a jelly gulaman, then dive into cooking oil. Yan, super sarap yan, super delicious. Try to do it. Yan, until golden brown and malutong na yan, crispy. Hanguin lang 7 hanggang 10 segundo. Drain 7 to 10 seconds to remove excess oil, and yeah, that's it. And now, here it comes with the vinegar. A sweety vinegar. Look at this. Tignan nyo. Sarap niyan. Isawsaw sa masarap na hindi sobrang maasim na suka. Tignan nyo ang textures nyo. Yan. Pag dry na yan, sa loob, ibig sabihin, well done, well cooked na siya. Ayan, sausaw, dip, and delicious. Yes, very delicious. What are you waiting for? Ano pang hinintay nyo? Subukan nyo na rin. Yan o, nakarami na ako. Anyway, that's all the short video, guys. See you next one. Bye bye.